Microsoft Sentinel is a powerful cloud-native SIEM and SOAR tool that helps detect, investigate, and respond to security incidents. Step 1. Deploy Microsoft Sentinel. You need a log analytics workspace to store logs and data. Step 1.1. Create a log analytics workspace. Log into the Azure portal, search for Log Analytics Workspaces, and click Create. Select your subscription and create or choose an existing resource group. Provide a name and region for your workspace. Click Reviews Create and then Create. Step 1.2. Add Microsoft Sentinel. Search for Microsoft Sentinel and click Add. Select the workspace you created and click Add. Microsoft Sentinel is now linked to your workspace. Step 2. Connect data sources to Microsoft Sentinel. You need to connect security logs from various sources. Step 2.1. Add data connectors. In the Sentinel workspace, go to Data Connectors under Configuration. Select the appropriate connectors like Azure AD, Microsoft Defender, or external tools. Follow the instructions to enable the connector. Step 3. Create custom threat detection rules. Once data sources are connected, Sentinel requires analytics rules. Step 3.1. Define analytics rules. In the Sentinel workspace, navigate to Analytics. Click Create Rule. Choose a template or create a custom rule. Step 3.2. Set rule logic with KQL. Write a query using Kusto Query Language. Define alert thresholds, such as triggering after 5 failed logins in 10 minutes. Assign an alert severity, low, medium, or high. Step 3.3. Set up automated incident creation. Enable incident creation from detected alerts. Assign the incident to a security team. Optionally, link Playbooks to automate responses when an incident occurs. Step 4. Automate incident response with SOAR. In Sentinel, go to Automation and click Create. Select Playbook and choose Logic Apps Designer. Step 4.2. Define Playbook triggers and actions. Add a trigger based on alert creation in Sentinel. Add actions such as blocking an IP address, sending an email to security teams, or disabling compromised users. Step 4.3. Enable Playbook automation. Test the playbook using sample alerts. Link the playbook to specific analytics rules. Step 5. Monitor and investigate incidents. Review, investigate, and manage security incidents efficiently. Step 5.1. Review incidents. In the Incidents tab, view active incidents with details such as severity and status. Click on an incident to see the alert history and associated events. Step 5.2. Investigate alerts. Use hunting queries to explore more details in the logs. Once the investigation is complete, resolve the incident. Step 6. Integrate third-party security tools. Microsoft Sentinel can integrate with third-party tools. Step 6.1. Configure third-party connectors. Navigate to Data Connectors and choose a third-party connector. Follow the configuration steps to send logs from third-party systems into Sentinel. Step 6.2. Use custom APIs for integration. For tools without built-in connectors, you can use custom APIs to ingest logs. Set up custom connectors by sending logs to Log Analytics. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively deploy, configure, and optimize Microsoft Sentinel for SIEM and SOAR operations.